Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify language competence with Mango Languages step by step clearly. Open the Mango Languages website in your preferred web browser. Log into your Mango Languages account using your credentials. Navigate to the courses section on the main dashboard. Select the language you wish to verify your competence in. Once in the selected course, locate the assessment or placement test option. Click on the assessment link to begin. Read the instructions carefully before starting the test. Answer the questions to the best of your ability. Keep an eye on the timer if there is one, to manage your time effectively. Submit your answers once you have completed the assessment. Wait for the results to be processed. Review your score and feedback provided after the assessment. Identify areas of strength as well as areas that may need improvement. Consider revisiting lessons or modules based on your assessment results. Use the feedback to set personal language learning goals moving forward. Feel free to retake the assessment after additional practice to measure your progress. Engage with any supplementary materials recommended based on your results. Continue practicing regularly to enhance your language competence over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.